Good evening. Today is Sunday. Time in Sydney, Australia right now is about 9:35 p.m. As you can see on the corner here, date is 2nd of July 2023. Tonight I'm going to explain to you guys about how you actually analyze the chart regarding the currency that you are going to trade. So one thing that I never mentioned on those videos that I have, and I always thinking to do that, but somehow forgot. If you go through all this trade that I did before in the past, these are all live account, live chart. I have mentioned about index, currency, Bitcoin, cryptos, and those things, okay? And I always wanted to mention about this, but I keep forgetting. But tonight I just remember, and I thought I better concentrate on one pair and explain the system. So when you're trading, first thing you have to do is this. For example, if you're trading Japanese pair, first you have to find out what's happening to the Japanese index. If Japanese index is heading down, as it is, I think market Japanese index is going to go down to those levels. So I make all those levels in advance for you guys. You can mark it up, put it on your demo account and see it. We are not responsible for your action. I forgot to mention this. This is only education and information side. We give you free signal and free education. We do not want anything from you. All is free, okay? Back to the subject. When the index is heading down for Japanese, and if you want to trade Japanese pair currency, like Euro Japan, Pound Japan, CHF Japan, any pair which is related to Japanese, you should look at the index first and find out where the index is heading. If the index is heading down, it means Japanese currency is getting stronger, and compared to the other pair, you have to go and sell it. So when index is heading down for Japan, so currency in Japan is going to be very strong. So in that case, USD Japan, as you can see here, because USD pair is a first and then Japan is a second. So if Japan gets stronger, so it means USD would go down compared to USD Japan. The price has to go down because USD lose, and then because Japanese yen is stronger. So I did not find anything regarding the level through the software that we have to sell USD Japan. For Canada Japan, still I haven't found any hidden support and resistance to play with. So for Euro Japan, I find this level. The software gave me those hidden support and resistance in the past. As I have mentioned, because the index is losing, Japan 225 is losing, and it's going to go down. So the string for the Japanese yen is going to be strong to go up. So for Euro Japan, Euro is going to be weaker than Japan because Japanese is going to be stronger, okay? So that's why it's heading down to those levels. These are TP1, TP2, and the final one is this. I just make the level in advance to make the video short for you. So I hope you understood what I have said about how you recognize the direction of the pair you want to trade. You have to look at the index first. And for the pound Japan, is heading down to those levels again. CHF Japan is going to go down to those levels. Australia, Japan, same thing. New Zealand, Japan are going down too. Singapore, I did not find any level. The software did not give me any hidden support and resistance in the past. And as I have mentioned in the beginning, the index is going down. So these are the forecasts for Euro Japan, Pound Japan, CHF Japan, Australia Japan, New Zealand Japan. For Singapore and USD and Canada Japan, we have nothing. Okay, so we have forecast of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them heading down. So I'll just repeat. If the index going down, that pair, the currency, we would get a strength and go up. But you have to understand this. For example, if Canada, Japan, this pair, Japan was first and Canada was second, then market would go up. But because the way they set up in market, the pair Japan is on the second part, Canada, Japan. So when Japan gets stronger, Canadian currency gets weaker, then it goes down. As you can see on Euro, it's same thing. Because Japan is going to get strong next week, Euro is going to be falling towards those levels. So I hope I explained it clear for you guys, and I gave you those levels for the currency. These are only forecasts. I have to wait when the market open. Then if I get the arrow to sell around this area, I will sell it. Sometimes we don't get any arrow and market goes and hit those levels, which is fine. I have to follow the rule. So again, for Euro Japan market going down, Pound Japan going down, CHF Japan going down, Australia Japan going down, New Zealand Japan going down, Singapore Japan no level, USD Japan we don't have any level, Canada Japan we don't have any level as yet. Maybe next week we will find. So in the name of who, please pause the video and read this disclaimer before you go. Please look after yourself, your family, as I always say. In the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Yahoo, done, finish. Thanks for watching.